dumbbell seated shoulder press. So we got a 90-degree bench set up here. So with the 90-degree bench, we're gonna take our dumbbells, have a seat. With the dumbbells on the tips of the knees, we're gonna use our knees and our feet to assist getting the weight into the correct place. So boost, kick one, kick two. From this position, we wanna make sure that we don't have a super crazy arch in our back and our ass isn't away from the pad. We wanna make sure we're tucked in nice and tight against the pad and our back is as flat as possible. From this position, to know that we're in the correct place, our thumb should be about parallel to the middle of our earlobes, and we should be able to draw a straight line from our middle finger straight down to our elbow. So with our arms at a nice L-shaped form, we're gonna exhale, drive straight up. Inhale, come down. Exhale, drive. Notice at the top, I'm not locking my elbows fully. Reason being, I'm keeping the stress off my triceps and my elbows, and I'm keeping constant tension right on the shoulder. On the very last one, I'm gonna drive all the way up and flex. Yeah, buddy, overhead push.